Have you ever turned off a heater when the weather turns warm? Or switched off a lamp on a sunny day? Of course you have, because it's a needless waste of energy. But this is exactly what standby is as well. It is your energy and your money that is being wasted for no reason. They say that an average household wastes at least 10% of energy and money because of so-called quick start, sleep, or standby modes. Pauls is manager of a travel agency that recently decided to apply for a green office certificate. To do this, they had to change their behavior, and one of their first jobs was to assess the overall energy waste in their office. What it really meant was starting to pay more attention to small details, like the unused but running computer in the corner, too many lamps switched on even on a sunny day, telephone chargers still plugged in but not in use. Paul started to behave as the office green policeman.
Es cenšos, slēdzu savējo datoru, ārā slēdzu savas gaismas, citi ir aizgājuši, izslēdz kolēģa dators, viņš no rīta atnāk, skatās, viss ir izslēgts. Ko es esmu ievērojis, ir tas, ka par spīti man tu neatstāsi ieslēgt. Un es domāju, ka tas ir viens no tiem panākumiem.
Pauls introduced this campaign to his colleagues as a game. And for the 10 to 15% saved off the energy bill, he organized a bicycle trip to the seaside for the whole office. So everyone directly saw the profit of their actions.
4 printeri, viņi visi stāv ieslēgti. Konsolidējot, palikām pie 2 cilvēks, kura darba vieta, viņš nav šomēnes, viņa datoru var izraut no visiem tīkliem. Tas kaut ko pa mazam dod. Apgaismotie koridori, apgaismotās, vannas istabas, virtuves. Nevajag tur visu laiku. Tad, kad tu nāc un ēd vai ģērbies, tad pieslēdz gaismu.
Of course, Paul's new thinking started to influence his behavior at home. And now Paul's son, Roberts, has become an even greener policeman than his father. So, if you are ready to sacrifice your remote control and cordless lifestyle by switching off the standbys, you will save up to 10% off your electricity bill. You will be cooler, as appliances in sleep mode still produce heat. And standby appliances will no longer be a fire hazard in your home.
Tēt, tu aizmirsi izslēgt kopētāju.